on your Thursday morning, and a new interactive exhibit is bringing one of history's most famous voyages to life.
Titanic, an immersive voyage, lets visitors step inside the world of the legendary ship. 8 on your side, Jenna Bass joining us now live from Tampa with the new traveling attraction. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, absolutely. It lets you step inside. In fact, as soon as you come in, you get given one of these, and it basically tells you who you are as a passenger. So I am Clear Annie Cameron, second class passenger. Here's an infograph that kind of breaks it all down, first, second, third, and crew, and all the lifeboats. And as you can see, they didn't really utilize them that well. And that's part of what this experience, this exhibit does. It kind of gives you more on the information on the passengers, the storytelling. Here you can pull up passengers after the shipwreck. Violet, we're going to learn a little bit more about her here shortly. But another part of the wing of the exhibit here is the wall of passengers. So like I said, you get this card with your name, a little bit of a background to you. And as you explore all the artifacts and all the immersive experiences that this exhibit gives you, at the end, you get to find out whether you survived it or not. Now, let's mind you, these are real people, obviously. So it kind of breaks it down and gives you more of a background to them. We've got Gotham here with the exhibit. You kind of tell us, when people get to this point, it kind of brings it all into perspective for them. So before we spoil it, whether I survived it or not, tell me about how people are experiencing this exhibit here.
Absolutely. So when visitors arrive, they get the boarding pass, and then you're in this passenger's shoes. You follow their story, and then you come to this gallery, which is called the Memorial Gallery. And as you can see, it's got the names of the passengers and the crew members, whether they survived or perished. And that's when, that's the moment of realization that they find out whether they survived when they were on the ship or not. And it's so heartbreaking when you see a family and maybe some of the people survived from the family, the others did not, and you can see the people crying, they have goosebumps. It's a sad situation that to see that.
All right, well, I'm kind of scared to ask you, but let's find out. Clear Annie Cameron, 35 years old, second class. Where is she on this board?
So let's see. Let's hope that she survived, and let's look up. You said Clear Annie. So
Cameron, right there, 35.
Cameron, right there you go.
All right.
You survived.
I survived. So it's very emotional too once you get and seeing all the artifacts and what this experience has to offer, because again, it is immersive. We do have 2 more things coming up for you. Now, this is located less than a mile away from Raymond James Stadium on Dale Mabry Highway. It is going to be open through mid-April. So we're going to continue to give you more sneak peeks. For now, we're live in Tampa. Jenna Bass, 8 on